Good morning. For today's celebration assembly and the handing out of some commendations, I thought I'd take advantage of the absolutely magnificent weather and head outside. They don't let me out very much, but here we go. And we find ourselves in the school rose garden, which when in full bloom is an absolutely magnificent sight. And these roses are tenderly cared for by my father, who you'll be pleased to know is on the road to recovery. So as much as anything else, I sincerely hope that Vic Lyttle, Mr. Lyttle Senior, is watching this and can see how his roses are doing. If perchance he is not happy with their progress, believe me, I will know all about it a little bit later on. As for the commendations, I say this once again at risk of repeating myself. I think the manner in which you have all, children and parents, been embracing this process in the most testing of circumstances has been absolutely magnificent. So at the end of this, I will be handing out a giant commendation to every single one of you. You all richly, richly deserve it. In the meantime, commendations this week go to, in preschool first of all of these for phonics and maths: Teg P, Alec M, Samara K, and James A. Well done to all of you. Commendations are on their way. In reception, for dance and exercise, Tanu M. In year 1, Ethan M for art, Yaha R for maths, Kanal K for high standards across the curriculum, very well done, Samuel W for English, and Ishan I for effort. In year 2, Syed H for descriptive writing, Hassan V for design and technology, and this one absolutely fascinates me, Jaden L for a wonderfully prepared job interview. Well, I hope you get the job, matey. Year 3, Thomas H for geography, Freddie D for geography, and Taryn E for geography. In year 4, Ryan K for creative writing, and in year 5, Ravi V for English, Otis L for English, both of those for some superb comprehension work and some really quite tricky comprehension work. In year 6, Austin H for maths, Ming J for creative writing, Dylan C for creative writing, Sedge S for creative writing, and Veron S for creative writing. Well done to you all. Now, the final 2 commendations I have both go to boys in the prep department of the school, both of whom brought something to show me this week. The first, a magnificent birthday card here presented in honour of the school's 125th anniversary, so a huge well done to Devaj, who has signed it along with his 2 brothers, and that will have pride of place in my study, I assure you. And then also some wonderful artwork by Kai, also in year 4, and what Kai has done is he has produced some artwork, the school, but not just a picture of the school. We have the school in autumn, we have the same view of the school in summer, and we have the same view of the school in the winter. And I think for a pupil in year 4, that is artwork of the very highest standard, well worthy of a commendation, and again will be occupying pride of place. So that is it for our commendations so far this term. We are almost at half term, but not quite. As I said at the start, I think you have all done wonderfully, wonderfully well. So you richly deserve your half-term break. It is entirely possible that after that half-term break, things might feel and look a little different. And some of you might indeed be returning back to West House. And should that be the case, we all, I can absolutely assure you, very much look forward to seeing you. And there'll be plenty more commendations during the second half of term.